Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter login problem PUBG on your settings. We just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, then we will click here on apps and we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for a Twitter app. We will just go down and we will just go down here and so we will find Twitter. We will click here on Twitter and we come to next window here like you say. We will click here on force stop. Then we will click here on OK and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache and we will click here on clear data. And you just go to Play Store and update your Twitter app, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.